Your app can't locate the Emodelviewrs DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error, and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. To kick off the Emodelviewrs guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This DLL file is a localized resource library for the eDrawings viewer. It contains the icons and text required to display 3D CAD models within the application interface on the Windows operating system. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. The Emodelviewrs DLL is part of the SolidWorks application package. A full reinstall of the latest official version of SolidWorks will repair missing or damaged components. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Emodelviewrs component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Using an incorrect or unverified version of the Emodelviewrs DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're addressing the Emodelviewrs inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. To support our technical team and receive updates on the latest the Emodelviewrs resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.